Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. This your boy Lamont. Yeah, I got a update and unboxing. A 2-for-1 today. I got my fuel tank dropped because I decided, and it's still on jack stands. Yeah, my engine is still at the shop. But yeah, I'm gonna definitely let y'all see what I've been up to. And I think you just might like it. Hold on. If you're familiar with these people, then you should already know what's in this box right here. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. It's gonna be the unboxing of what I've been up to. Yes, sir. Not only that, but also what's in this goodie box right here. Oh yeah. The wiring harness for it. And this is everything that comes in your box. And then this lucky box here is almost the star of the show, as they can say. Oh man, that's beautiful. We're gonna break up some of this ass whooping that's been going on around my way here. And by the way, this is YouTube, not national TV. Inside joke. But yeah, this is a complete kit. You have your ignition coil right here, and their distributor, and also I want to say you get your 7-inch. I think it's a 7-inch screen, display screen. But yeah, I just want to give everybody an update. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. See you next time. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Hold on. That's your 7-inch display screen for Ace's fuel injection also. See you next time.